I used to think ramen was something you could only get at a restaurant, but making this bowl at home changed my mind. The aroma of vegetables, the richness of chicken broth, just a little effort, and it becomes something deeply satisfying. Maybe today's ramen will become someone's memory too. Let's make it together.